Are you dreaming of studying in Australia in 2025? Wait, before you pack your bags, there are some major visa changes you absolutely need to know. From tougher financial checks to document rejections and longer processing times, the game has changed. And if you don't get this right, your dream of studying in Australia could be delayed or even denied. Stick with me because I'm going to break down every step, every new rule, and exactly how to get your student visa approved fast in 2025. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, I share expert advice and real-life insights on moving to and living in Australia, especially for international students, skilled migrants, and families. Today's video is all about the Australian student visa process in May 2025, including the brand new restrictions that could make or break your visa application. If you're planning to study in Australia this year or next, you need to watch this video to the end. I'm not just going to skim through headlines. I'll walk you through the entire visa process, break down the document requirements, explain the new rules in plain English, and give you practical tips to avoid getting rejected. Segment 1, Introduction to the Australian Student Visa, Subclass 500. Subclass 500 student visa is what allows international students to study full-time at a registered education provider in Australia. This visa covers all education levels: primary, secondary, tertiary, vocational, and English language programs. You can stay in Australia for up to 5 years, depending on your course length. Bring family members, spouse, or dependent children. Work up to 48 hours per fortnight during study sessions and unlimited hours during scheduled breaks. But the process in 2025 has become stricter, more competitive, and even small mistakes can lead to rejections. So let's dive into the entire process in detail. Segment 2, New Restrictions in May 2025. What changed? As of May 2025, the Australian government has introduced several new restrictions and tightened scrutiny for student visa applicants. These include 1. Stricter Genuine Student Test, GST, replaces the old Genuine Temporary Entrant, GTE. Now, you must prove you are a genuine student, not just using a student visa to enter Australia for other purposes. What they check: past study history and qualifications, language proficiency, IELTS, PTE, TOEFL, gap years. Unexplained gaps are a red flag. Course alignment with your academic background and goals, immigration history, financial situation, intentions after graduation. Tip: write a strong personal statement. Use honest but strategic language. Align your study with your career goals and show how it helps your home country too. 2. Higher financial proof requirements. You now need to show tuition fees for the first 12 months, not just 6 months anymore. Living expenses, now $29,710 for one person per year. Travel expenses, $2,000 to $3,000 depending on where you're coming from. Extra funds for spouse, children if applying with dependents. Proof options include bank statements, fixed deposits, older than 3 months, loan sanction letters from recognized banks, parent or sponsor's income and employment proof. Warning: fake or suspicious documents are an instant refusal. 3. Stricter English proficiency criteria. IELTS, academic 6.0 overall minimum. No band is lower than 5.5. PTE academic 50+, TOEFL IBT 64+. Certain low-risk countries may be exempt, but most students will need to prove English proficiency. Note: some institutions may require higher scores than the immigration minimum. 4. Crackdown on travel history. Prior visa refusals or overstays in other countries now impact your Australian student visa. No travel history? It's not a problem, but you must prove strong ties to your home country. Segment 3, Step-by-Step Student Visa Application Process, 2025. Step 1, choose a CRICOS registered course. Visit cricoseducation.gov.au. Choose a course that matches your academic background, is offered by an approved provider, TAFE University College, has proper duration and progression, e.g., diploma, bachelor, master's. Step 2. Receive confirmation of enrollment. CO apply directly or through an agent. Once accepted and tuition is paid, partial or full, depending on the provider, you receive a COE. You cannot apply for a visa without this. Step 3. Prepare your documents. COE, passport, IELTS PTE, TOEFL certificate, academic transcripts and certificates, statement of purpose, SOP, financial documents, Form 157A, visa application form, OSHC, overseas student health cover, police clearance, if required, biometrics, if requested. Step 4, purchase OSHC, health insurance. Mandatory. You must show coverage for your full visa duration. Some popular providers, Bupa, Alliance, Medibank. Step 5, lodge visa application online. Create an IME account on the official Department of Home Affairs website. Pay the visa fee. $710. Main applicant. Step 6, attend medical exams and biometrics, if requested. You'll get an email with instructions to visit an approved panel physician and biometric center. Step 7, wait for a decision. Processing time, 8 to 18 weeks depending on your country, risk level, and document clarity. You may receive visa grant letter, visa refusal letter, with reason. Segment 4, documents checklist, updated 2025. Here's the complete document list you may need. Valid passport, at least 6 months validity. Confirmation of enrollment, COE. Statement of purpose, very important. Academic transcripts, 10th, 12th, degree or diploma. English test score, IELTS, PTE, TOEFL. Work experience letter, if applicable. Proof of financial support, bank statements, past 3 to 6 months. Sponsor's income proof, ITR. Pay slips, job letter, OSHC insurance certificate, marriage certificate, if spouse included, birth certificate of children, if dependents, police clearance certificate, health exam reports, recent passport-sized photographs. Segment 5, common reasons for student visa rejections, weak statement of purpose, mismatch between course and background, suspicious financial documents, poor English scores, gaps in education not explained, weak home ties, no proof you'll return, travel history issues, overstaying in other countries, submitting fake documents. Segment 6, tips to get approved in 2025. Choose a course that aligns with your background and goals. Prepare a solid SOP, statement of purpose. Maintain a clean and transparent financial trail. Ensure English scores meet the exact requirements. Double-check your application for errors or missing items. Don't rush. Apply early, at least 4 months before intake. If you're serious about coming to study in Australia in 2025 and want your student visa approved on the first try, I can help. I offer visa consultations and document review services to guide you step by step through your application. Whether you're unsure about your statement of purpose, need help gathering financial documents, or just want expert eyes on your file, reach out to me. You can leave a comment below or contact me on Instagram or email. Details in the description. And remember, make sure your documents are clear, genuine, and well organized. A good application is the difference between approval and delay.